Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today we're going to give you a video here of a 2014 MOFFETT sitting here with 2,295 hours. Now this has brick and block forks, but you can switch them out for pallet forks for free. Now ladies and gentlemen, this has a 10-foot mast. It's been refurbished and completely repainted. When we repaint these, we take off the roll cage, the seat, the hood, the back door, many of these gray parts that are removable like the battery cover and the wheel covers, diamond plating. We paint the gray separately from the red and then put it back together. That way we get a good finish in between everything. You get a long lasting paint job. When we refurbish these, we look for leaks. It's pressure leak tested. What we do is if we find things leaking such as hose or wheel motors or cylinders that are replaced, so you can see evidence of a new hose here. When we find a bad hose, we go ahead and replace it. If it checks out, we leave it alone. It has about 70% rubber in front, 50% rubber in back. You can take a look here. Nice diamond plating, nice looking oil. This oil has been changed and your engine oil has been changed. You have all new filters. You can hit the ground running, ladies and gentlemen. Then we'll go ahead and show you the engine here. Here's your V2203, long-lasting, tried and true engine. Beautiful, clean engine bay. Take a look here. We also look for weird items such as pins, bushings, mast bearings, chains, rollers, anything of that matter that's moving and could be worn. If it doesn't check out, we go ahead and replace it, ladies and gentlemen. We'll give you what we call an operational guarantee. We're so confident of our refurbishment process, we'll give you an operational guarantee. What that simply means is when we get to you, it's going to be the condition I've shown you here today, or we're going to back you up. That's just when you get it, the warranty ends, but then we'll go ahead and back up this Kubota engine for another 30 days. We're going to give you a little treat. We're going to do an operational here for you just to show you how nice she runs and operates. Hear that Kubota come to life. Now we're going to show you some mast operations. Here's your mast going up and down. Tilt. Side shift. Outriggers. Mast going in and out. Now I'll show you how nice she drives. All your lights are working. Thing runs great. Now ladies and gentlemen, you give us a call, 260-238-4998. You can check us out on the web, 99lifts.com, 99lifts.com. Thanks for checking out this video.